People are demanding more and more from brands to serve them with information, content, and engagement during the purchase process. They want to have all the information to make the right decision. Brands can help consumers with smart packaging and smart products. And Midiacode can help brands to implement their projects in this area. But, do you know what a smart product is? And what is smart packaging? The packaging, and in some cases the product itself, may contain technologies that deliver innovative engagement and content experiences to the consumer, such as using third-generation QR codes from Midiacode, which help to connect your brand directly with the consumer, with rich content. No matter what your product is or how sophisticated it is, you can make it a smart product with our technology. We use the most modern transmedia technology together with a cloud platform to deliver content and interactivity to your consumers. Managing all codes and contents is very easy with our platform. Smart products and packaging are communication channels, a connection between your brand and the final consumer. You have the power to transform your package into a video, an augmented reality, audio, a diagram, an interaction, or all this together, using our solution. But which contents can be delivered to the final consumer through my smart packaging, using Midiacode's QR code? The benefits and advantages of the product. How to use it properly. Technical characteristics. Food nutritional factors. A marketing campaign, and much more. The key is to deliver more information and details to your customer with a unique experience. If your company wants to do a promotion and take the consumer to jump to a website, for instance, that same QR code once used to deliver another interaction can easily be turned to direct the consumer to the current promotion. No need to change the packaging art. Our cloud system, easily and securely, directs the consumer wherever you want. The trend is for consumers to increasingly connect with brands that deliver relevant content to them. Create deeper and stronger connections with your consumer through Midiacode. The trend is for your company to differentiate from competitors on the store shelves with an outstanding experience throughout the package. You can be the smartest brand on the shelves. To learn more about our platform differentials, visit our website and talk to one of our experts.